Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Whales market token. Ticker symbol is Whales. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 2nd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 2nd at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token is available for trading on Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Fund your account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section and search Whales, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says, welcome to the Whales market, the ultimate decentralized DEX for cryptography assets. So most likely 2 cents. This is a Solana token. You could probably get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Raydium, with Sol, going into the dApps and then finding Raydium and then trading your Sol for the Whales token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, whales.market. As usual, I'm going to put their Twitter also in the corner of the screen. Over there, at Whales Market on Twitter, they have a Telegram at Verify Whales Market, and then they have a document section, docs.whales.market. So Whales Market offers a decentralized OTC trading platform where for users to directly exchange assets across multiple blockchains with complete trustlessness and security guaranteed. The novel idea behind Whales Market is simple: to address the inherent risks of peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading, while informal methods like social groups, private messages, and some centralized platforms have long facilitated P2P transactions. They often lack robust security measures. This exposes traders to potential scams and fraud, where sellers may fail to deliver promised tokens. The main reason for this is because these tradings don't require any commitment amongst parties involved, as the trading route between them are not penetrable and most likely based on the routes between both parties. Whales Market addresses this issue by bringing OTC trading into a single platform. This allows buyers and sellers to facilitate mutually agreed upon on-chain transactions. Capital remains locked in smart contracts and is only released to the parties upon successful transaction settlement. This advancement not only streamlines the trading process, but also significantly reduces the risk of financial losses due to deceptive practices. So P2B trade token allocations has long been a common practice, primarily conducted through social groups, private messages, and several centralized platforms. However, these methods also lack security measures. So Whales Market revolutionizes this process with smart contracts facilitating a mutually agreed on-chain transactions for both buyers and sellers. This innovation not only makes trading more accessible, but also significantly reduces the risk of financial loss due to fraud. So they have the Whales token here. Whales Market Native Utility Token Whales is used to incentivize the growth of Whales Market transparently and fairly, to guarantee fair distribution to major stakeholders of the Xloot bot project. A percentage of the Whales supply is retrospectively airdropped to Xloot stakers and Xloot holders upon launch. Total supply of the Whales token is 100 million tokens. It's on the Solana blockchain. How basically it is allocated is 65% of the tokens go to incentives, 9.5% goes to the team, 7.5% liquidity, 7% private sale, 5% airdrop, 5% marketing, 1% security. So there is a platform fee incurred on each trade made through the OTC over-the-counter platform. This fee is then utilized for revenue sharing, so 60% of the fees collected is redistributed back to the Whales token stakers. Then there's development expenses, so 20% is allocated to cover ongoing development expenses. Buyback and burns, 10% is used to buy back and burn tokens, creating deflationary pressure. And then Xloot revenue sharing, 10% is shared to Xloot stakers and Xloot holders. Whales emission is designed to decay over time, ensuring early adopters are rewarded while controlling inflation. Whales holders can vote on these KPIs in a decentralized manner. This is also in line with the aim to reach a sustainable balance where revenue from fees is higher than Whales emissions. So there's a referral program section. There is a staking section that you can review on their document section. They go over how to use their exchange, basically how buying token allocation works on Whales markets, and fill others offer to sell and create an offer to buy. They go over all that on here, how to cancel an order. Then they have the same thing opposite for selling as well. You can talk about how to settle your offers or orders. There's the settlement rules. They go over the platform fees, the technical overview. They go over the OTC markets, the point markets. There's additional documents on here. Looks like they do have a contract audit. You can check out their full audit by Peck Shield on their document section as well. They have a brand kit on there. All sorts of information too. Frequently asked questions if you need to go over that, like what is a pre-market? What happens if nobody fills my order for buying and selling? When are fees counted? All that type of stuff is available in the frequently asked questions. But go check this token out. It is live on Bitmart as of today, and I'm sure you can find it also on Raydium or something like that as well. You can use their DApp right on their page too as well, whales.market. They have the contract address right on their page here. Check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.